OEM header. Getting ready to test it out. See if I can get some more overwrap from it. According to FMF, I should get more out of it. And also, I'm on the green coupler. Oh man, this feels so good already. Engine brake now. Yep. And that's on the green coupler, man. Woo! That was beautiful, good. I love it, man. I can work with that. Definitely an improvement on the green coupler. I know yeah, I know the black coupler, it's even gonna have more top end, and we're gonna test that out here in a minute, a few minutes. So that's it for that. OEM header is definitely an improvement with the green coupler. Got the FMF muffler. Got some added air intake. Of course, I got the twin air power air kit, and I also extended the air intake, and I did the mapping on it. I did the mapping on it by Tom Zunk on the green coupler. So that's probably why it's so freaking such a beast, man, on the green coupler. Because that's the circuit that he did. So definitely see the improvements there, man. I got the black coupler in. say that I like the green one better. Review on TMC Tom Zonk racing and his remapping on the ECU. Awesome job, man, on what you could do, which was the green circuit. It really, man, it really shows out here, man. It's got power everywhere. It's racy. It's got over rev. It's got everything that people were saying that it had. It's just that the FMF Megabomb, man, it just sucks everything up, dude. Hey. If people criticize me for it, then it is what it is, but my style of riding, man, I like to stretch out those gears. Alright, I got the white coupler in there now. Not bad. A little more racy than the black for sure. Megabomb sucking up all the top end off of it. More peppy. Damn, bro. I'm happy with all three couplers. Power. Over power everywhere, bro. So now, what used to be my favorite coupler, the black, is my least favorite. So I rank them Green, favorite. Of course, you know, that one's remapped. And it's not the actual coupler, it's the actual circuit inside the ECU. So, green, white, and black. Green may be too much right now, bro. Woo. Dang. No wonder people are like, yeah, the KX, that should be enough for you. Well, with all the stuff I've done to it already, it's enough, bro. All right, well, that's it. That's all she wrote. Beautiful day, man, in December. Only in the South, man.